Yes, guys, I got the Motorola Moto X4. Better late than never, right? But we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing and first impressions on this device right now. Stay tuned. So I actually did go to Fry's Electronics and I held a live stream over there. There were some people inside of there actually wanting me to do unboxing and the review of the Moto X4. So obviously we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to give you guys my opinions in future videos, but this is merely the unboxing right now. This phone was the $300 version, so this is only $300 fully unlocked, the Moto X4 right here. This is going to be the 3GB variant, 256 gigabytes of internal storage as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I love the design of the box. Awesome colors by Lenovo. Let's go ahead and take this top off though, and let's get to the phone. So first thing we have inside of here is the phone, and I did opt for the very black variant. So this is going to be the deeper color right here. I love how it looks so far. Does have a reflective back, but we'll get to that in a second. As you guys can see right here, we do have some specifications on the front. We have a 12 megapixel paired with 8 megapixel dual rear cams, so we do have two cameras on the back of this device. We also have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and we have IP68 water resistance. Now inside this device, we do have a Snapdragon 630, and we have 3000 milliamps, plus we do have a turbo power charging capability on this device as well, and Moto experiences, which is probably Moto actions. But let's go ahead and put this phone to the side. So as you guys see, we have the box right there. It says Hello Moto. Let's go ahead and open this up. I believe these are the user manuals. No one really cares about these whatsoever, but we have the user manual, quick start guide, and we have the SIM ejector tool. Next we have the turbo power charger, and we have the type C data cable. So this is going to be capable of charging with a type C cable, so definitely loving that. All right guys, so we got the gist of the device out of the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the body. So let's go ahead and take this little peel off in 3, 2, 1. That is literally always satisfying. So obviously, front of the device right here, we have the Moto sign. We also have the headset that doubles as a speaker. And with Motorola speakers so far, they have a very, very good track record, such as the Moto E5 Supra and the Moto E5 Plus from Metro PCS. Amazing speakers on these devices. We also have a 16 megapixel front-facing camera and a front-facing flash as well. So you guys can go ahead and take pictures in the dark. But screen is not too big. It looks like it is a 5.2 inch display. This is going to be a 1920 by 1080p, so this is going to be an IPS display, and this is also going to be a 16:9 aspect ratio. And the hand so far, it feels very, very nice though. Feels very light actually, and definitely loving that 16:9 aspect ratio. I like 18:9, but I definitely love 16:9 just as much. We also have a pretty high PPI on this with 424, so that's a pretty decent PPI on this device. Now bottom of the device, we do have our fingerprint sensor, so we can go ahead and press that and turn on the phone. But let's go ahead and boot up this device. So there you go, powered by Android. It's booting up right now. I'm pretty sure this is going to have Oreo inside of it, but it does come out of the box when it came about a year ago, I think, with Android 7.1.1. Now on the right side of the device, it looks like we have our volume up and down button, and we do have a textured power button, which is very, very nice. We can go ahead and indicate that this is the power button. Top of the device, we do have our SIM tray, and we have a noise canceling mic. Bottom of the device, we do have a 3.5mm head jack, so we can go ahead and listen to music through regular earbuds, so that's really, really nice. And we also have a type C port right there. Left side of the device, nothing. Back of the device, we have our Motorola insignia, which is really nice actually. I love that insignia. It's pretty iconic. And we do have a fingerprint magnet of a back, so it is kind of a glossy reflective back on here, but I have to say it looks very, very nice to say the least. We do have a rear facing flash right above the dual rear facing camera setup, so we have a 12 megapixel camera right there and a 8 megapixel camera right there. That is probably for depth of field most likely. Usually phones do this for bokeh effect and portrait mode. All right guys, so we did everything we needed to do. Let's go ahead and open this device up. I heard this fingerprint sensor was actually pretty fast. Let's go ahead and try it out. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, it is very, very fast. Let's go ahead and try that again for good luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, really fast fingerprint sensor. So we did get a notification as soon as we connect to Wi-Fi. It said system update available, new system software is available. So that is probably going to be Oreo and or Pi. I don't know if we get Pi on this device, but as of right now, before the update, we do have Android 8.1.0. So not sure what we're gonna get, but I will definitely update after the video. So as you guys see right here, beautiful display, actually pretty bright as well. I didn't think it was going to be this nice. Viewing angles are obviously going to be very nice on this. This is going to be 424 ppi, as I said before. Let's go ahead and take a look at the camera really quick, because that is one of the more important aspects about, you know, any phone pretty much for an average person. Let's go ahead and go to the side. Let's see what this shoots in. So as far as video goes, we can go up to 4K Ultra HD in 30 frames per second. And we do have Full HD 1080p 60 frames per second, which I'm very interested in, because I am a 1080p 60 frame per second kind of guy. I don't really take too many videos in 4K. I'm not really about 4K life yet. That will have to do in the future, but for right now, the 60 frames per second 1080p is where I'm at. But let's go ahead and take a picture and see how decent this camera is. All right, guys, so we have the X4 box right there. Let's go and take a picture. Awesome. I love the shutter sound. It sounds amazing, honestly. That's awesome. We can actually take 120-degree photos as well. As you guys see, it looks like fisheye lens. That's pretty dope. Let's go and take a picture as well. So all you have to do to get to your photos is actually go ahead and swipe left, and your photos are going to be right here. Man, this takes beautiful photos. This takes very nice photos. Awesome. That is really nice. So far, first impressions on the camera, it is gonna definitely be a go for 300 bucks. I mean, damn, that's really good. We also have depth enabled. We have panorama, we have spot color, we have professional mode, face filters. So we have some other stuff we can play around later on for a review. But for right now, the camera is looking very nice, as I told you guys. So yeah, guys, first impressions, stock Android, amazing phone, very snappy. 3 GB of RAM is absolutely perfect for this device so far. I can tell this is going to run amazingly. Another thing, we do have NFC on this device as well. So if you're one of those people who like to use Google Pay, or, you know, different applications like that actually utilize the NFC feature, this is going to be a very nice device for you that is not going to break the bank. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this device all the way, because so far this device is absolutely killing it for me right now. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this unboxing, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.